Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to enable TalkBack mode on this device. So as you can see by this green frame, we've got this mode turned on, so this is the best situation to show you how to navigate, how to swipe, and actually how to use this mode. So first of all, let me show you how to choose something, how to enter the app, for example the settings. You have to tap on it once, you'll see a green frame, and then double tap. And as you can see, we just got into the settings. Now let me show you how to swipe. You have to use two fingers this way. And as you can see, now you can swipe. Now let me show you how to turn off this mode. Simply get into the accessibility. So tap on it, double tap, click on TalkBack, double tap, and tap on the switcher. Double tap, click on OK, and double tap. And as you can hear, the TalkBack is off. What's more, if you want to, you can customize this mode. Simply tap on the settings. And as you can see, here you can customize, for example, the gestures. So we can tap here and you can decide what you want to do with swiping up or down, or swipe up then down. Let me get back, and for example you can decide if you want to receive vibration feedback. It's up to you. So I just shown you how to turn off this TalkBack. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. As you can see, now the TalkBack needs to observe your actions, retrieve window content, turn on Explore by touch, observe text that you type, and control display magnification. So if you are ready, click on OK. And as you can hear, the TalkBack is on. So this is it. Actually, this is how to enable TalkBack mode in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.